Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to discuss that how you can change the language of your Netflix account. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. The first thing you need to do is to sign in to your Netflix account on any web browser. So I have Chrome. You can do that on the PC, laptop as well. I'm doing it on the phone. So you need to open the web browser. The next thing you need to do is to type in Netflix. So it will bring you to the netflix.com, and here you need to tap on the three lines at the top left corner. So once you tap on that one, you will find out that you're signed in or not to your account. If not, then make sure that you're signed in to your account. The next thing you need to choose is the account option. You need to tap on account, and from here just scroll down and you need to tap on edit settings. So once you tap on edit settings, you just scroll down a bit where you will find languages. So you need to tap on languages. So here you will find out set language preferences. So this is the main language, the display language. So if you want to change it, just tap on this one, and from here there is the list of languages available. So you can choose any one. It depends on your preference. The next thing, audio and subtitle language. You can change audio and subtitle languages from here. You can choose one, and you can choose multiple as well. As you can see, I choose English. There is another language, then there is this one and this one. So this is the list of the languages available for audio and subtitle languages. So you can select from here. So guys, this is all it takes to change language on Netflix account. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again next time. Take care.